Hi everyone!
Welcome to our channel. We went on purchasing some beautiful craft supplies to make our today project.
Look at this one, it's perfect.
Oh, I love the floral print.
Let's start making our today's project.
Here I am taking empty Cerelac box and marking 1 centimeter from all the four sides.
Honey, actually, how you got this idea?
I got this idea when I decided to make something in the memory of our newly born baby girl. Now I am drawing the lines on all the four sides.
Honey, really, I am also very excited to see what will you do with it.
Oh really? Continue your excitement till then because it's a surprise.
Okay, you draw the lines next. What will you do?
Now I will cut the middle portion with the scissor. Press the cardboard lightly so that you can easily give the first cut.
Oh, it's a brilliant idea, honey.
Now I am securing torn pieces using hot glue for a steady base.
Yeah, okay. Now it's perfect.
Now I will cover this box using a big size chart paper.
Okay. How will you take the measurement for this?
I am taking 29 into 35 centimeters for this, and now I will cut the drawed portion.
I think now you will stick the box to this chart paper, right?
Yes, you are right, but I am leaving 6.6 centimeters from all the four sides. Here I am using hot glue to stick it to the chart paper.
You are sticking remaining chart paper to the box, correct?
Yes, I will stick the remaining portion to the chart paper. Here I am cutting a little in the corner and securing it with the hot glue. Or you can cut the chart paper to the same level of box and stick it.
Oh, okay. Now you covered all the four sides. I think this is the base for shadow box, right?
Yes, now I'm taking my pattern paper and cutting a rectangle which fits into the middle of the shadow box.
Hey, why you took this photograph now?
I took this as main photo for this shadow box and cutting a circle from this. Then for 3D effect, I'm attaching a small bit of thermocol and attaching this to shadow box. Now I'm taking a small piece of cardboard and cutting it in the shape of a rectangle and placing it in the top of the box.
Okay, totally you took 1, 2, 3, 4 cardboard pieces, right?
Now I'm taking super light clay and shaping it in the form of alphabets.
Oh, you're writing our baby name. Right? So beautiful, honey.
Now I'm applying mica powder with a dry brush. It gives some sparkling effect on the clay. I took a small piece of pattern paper and I'm writing baby birth details.
What is this, honey?
Again, I took small piece of pattern paper and I'm writing baby height details with some measurements.
This is like dumbbell. I think it's for baby weight, right?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's for baby weight. I made small teardrop for representing blood group. Here I am making small flower pot.
This is, I think, feeding bottle honey.
Yes, you're right. Again, I took a small piece of pattern paper and slightly cutting the edges.
What you're making? Oh, it's a chair.
Now I am writing extra details on the clay with fabric outliner.
Oh, this duck is so cute, honey. Your idea is so beautiful, honey. You got an awesome idea.
Oh, thank you. Now I'm taking OHP sheet and sticking it in front of the box. Now I am attaching pista shells in the shape of a flower. That's it. How is my idea?
Honey, this shadow box is so beautiful. You really made it easier.
Thank you, thank you. What should I plan next?